Hey, this is Ronald from Maskills University, and I received quite a few requests on how to do an alien sci-fi trailer. And I've done quite a few horror trailers. Today I'm using Davinci Resolve 18.6.6, the new free version. And what I did was put together a quick 1 minute plus storyboard, and it looks like this. I have the outside of the spaceship, and these are the videos. I provided the links to every video below from pixabay.com. Link below you'll see this. So this is the outside, and there's 5 tracks, and I put the videos in order as they appear in the video, as they appear in my storyboard. Here are the video clips from inside the spaceship and outside the spaceship. As far as the sounds I use epidemic sounds for this, but use anything you want, and you can research things like space warp, space wind, space sounds, spaceship sounds, bangs, things like that, creepy alien sounds, alien horror sounds. Did some research on that too on YouTube, so you can find a lot of these sounds for free and incorporate whatever sounds you like. Horror sci-fi sounds, alien hisses and growls and things like that. So that's what I use, and it's just basic stuff if you want to follow along. But this is how my workflow looked. Now let's go inside for a second. I use a lot of brightness flashes and dissolves. We have track 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So on track 1, we have the spaceship. I zoomed in on the spaceship, dynamic zoom from right here, of course. We have this cool sky right here. So as the ship came along, once it hit it, I got rid of the sky. Here we did a brightness flash right there. We have 2 clips stacked up. So one is that effect, and the other is that effect. The sound I used here, and again, use whatever sound you like, but these are spaceship passing sounds. This would be your warping sound on the second clip right here. Here we have another brightness flash and an additive dissolve right there. Another additive dissolve right there. You use whatever you like to do. I did a few cuts here. Now here I zoomed inside the spaceship, and of course did a blur dissolve there. And this is a space solar wind sound. This video clip started out with the inside, and it showed an outside view, then an inside view. I cut the first 2 parts and just went to the inside view at the end of the video clip. Scroll down. It's a little sound that's called gear movement alien. It's almost like what we know you're coming type of thing. And again, I'm trying to create a storyboard here. This is a cross dissolve. This sound effect is called UFO Sci-Fi. This clip here I sped up. I used a brightness flash right here. Here, compositing here on this clip is multiply at 100%. The ball is right here, it's normal. A cross dissolve was used right here. But this video clip, the opacity was brought down to about 20%. Video clip here of the ball itself, I use overlay and compositing at 100%. So you get this effect. This is called a drone alien power 7. So some kind of drone, this kind of effect. I'm sure you can find this on YouTube for a sound effect. Now this is a pro tip, so I'm going to go a little fast here. A non-additive dissolve at the end. Right here we use the glitch. Right there, a basic glitch. It's a transition right there. Here I went into a drone alien cave sound effect. We're going to glitch out of this as well. Transition to come out. And here, this is a woman, it's supposed to be a man. So I went into a stretch reason effect on her, alien growl, and a space blast effect when he gets hit with the light right here. And the timing here is just 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Then here, of course, he gets scared. He jumps up, and again, this is my storyboard. A smooth cut right here. I sped this up to 600. Right here is he's walking in. Now he can't run, so he's walking in fast. Then we did a brightness flash. He gets up and walks in. That's, of course, a spaceship door closing sound effect. He actually runs in anyway on the video clip, but I sped it up a little bit more. When I went to the brain, I used effect. I did a magic zoom version 3 on this, so it looks like this. The transition here was a smooth cut. I sped this up a lot. And again, these clips were just cut down because this was blue and I inverted the color. So it became blue. Smooth cut right there. This clip, the alien went right and then he went left, so I cut it so he just went left and then came back at you. That's a hiss sound effect right there. Now we're inside the spaceship, so the sound effect here is spaceship. And down here we have a sci-fi alien sound effect. That light is part of it. Here, I sped that up. And once he hit the glass here, I inserted a camera shake, dialed it up a little bit to get those colors. And we have a space blast right there with the glass hit. Smooth cut right there. This is called Alien Fortress. Here, I inserted a camera shake, but it went up and down, just slowly. This clip right here was pretty long, so I 5 times the speed and made some cuts. So I went from him looking at a tablet, seeing these monsters, then he showed what's going on outside. Then about right here, when it fades to black, I zoom in, dynamically zoom in to the black tablet screen there. And I insert this monster. And the monster's on lighten at about 12%. Down here we have an alien breath, alien gasp, and an alien vocalization sound effect. Here just find any kind of sound effects that aliens may use. And here I sped this up as if he jumped out of the spaceship or got thrown out. And then of course I slowed it down. And this goes back to our space solar wind. And then we just slowly fade to black. So that's what I did there. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Until we meet next time, have a great and creative day. Peace.